Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 11 strategies of Elon Musk to become world's most successful person. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First strategy is to set audacious goals. Elon Musk is known for setting ambitious goals that push the boundaries of what's possible. Aim high and don't be afraid to dream big. Second strategy is to pursue your passions. Elon Musk is deeply passionate about technology, space exploration, and sustainable energy. Find your own passion and align your pursuits with what truly excites you. Third strategy is to continuously learn and innovate. Elon Musk has a voracious appetite for knowledge and is constantly learning and seeking innovative solutions. Embrace a growth mindset, stay curious, and never stop learning. Fourth strategy is to be resilient and embrace failures. Elon Musk has faced numerous setbacks and failures throughout his career, but he never let them deter him. Learn from failures, embrace resilience, and see setbacks as learning opportunities. Fifth strategy is to take calculated risks. Elon Musk is known for taking bold risks, such as founding SpaceX and Tesla. Assess risk carefully, do your research, and take calculated risks when the potential rewards outweigh the potential downsides. Sixth strategy is to surround yourself with talented individuals. Elon Musk understands the importance of building a strong team. Surround yourself with talented and motivated individuals who complement your skills and share your vision. Seventh strategy is to think long-term and have a vision. Elon Musk is a visionary leader who thinks about the long-term impact of his endeavors. Develop a clear vision for your goals and consistently work towards it. Eighth strategy is to stay focused. Elon Musk is known for his intense focus and relentless drive. Stay committed to your goals and maintain a strong work ethic. Ninth strategy is to embrace innovation and disruption. Elon Musk has a knack for disrupting industries with innovative solutions. Look for ways to challenge the status quo, find new approaches, and bring fresh ideas to the table. 10th strategy is to maintain a balance between work and personal life. While Elon Musk is known for his demanding work schedule, it's crucial to find a balance between work and personal well-being. Prioritize self-care, maintain healthy relationships, and find time for relaxation and rejuvenation. 11th strategy is to give back and make a positive impact. Elon Musk has shown a commitment to making a positive impact on the world, from sustainable energy to space exploration. Find ways to contribute to society and make a difference in areas that align with your passions and values. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.